This week is New Zealand Sign Language Week, a language that over 24,000 Kiwis use every day. What you're about to see is very cool indeed, accompanied by live signer Scott Hamilton from Isign NZ. It's Riqi Harawira.
All right now, uplift me now, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She's like oxygen to me. Without her, I can't breathe. She's just so goddamn beautiful. She really fuels my dreams, and she's like oxygen to me. Without her, I can't breathe. And she's just so goddamn beautiful. She really fuels my dreams. It's funny when you meet someone and they've got their own family. You really wanna be with her, 'cause your hearts beat as one. But she's got another life, and she's in love with another man. It's so damn frustrating. My heart's on fire, 'cause she's like oxygen to me. Without her I can't breathe. She's just so goddamn beautiful. She really fuels my dreams, and she's like oxygen to me. Without her I can't breathe. She's just so goddamn beautiful. She really fuels my dreams. It's funny when you want someone, but they're too far away to reach. You can't imagine life without her. But does she feel the same? Our love would be the greatest love there ever was. But circumstances barricade us. My heart's on fire, 'cause she's like oxygen to me. Without her I can't breathe, and she's just so goddamn beautiful. She really fuels my dreams, and she's like oxygen to me. Without her I can't breathe, and she's just so goddamn beautiful. She really fuels my dreams. You know that I loved you, baby. Woo! But she threw my love away, oh yeah. You know that I wanted you, baby, but your head, it got in the way. She's like oxygen to me. Without her I can't breathe. She's just so goddamn beautiful. She really fuels my dreams, and she's like oxygen to me. Without her I can't breathe. She's just so goddamn beautiful. She really fuels my dreams.
Amazing. Two things. That was one of the coolest little tunes I've heard, Riqi. Well done, you guys. And Scott's got the moves. How brilliant was that, watching it to be signed along to that song? Very cool indeed. To get behind New Zealand Sign Language Week, and for a list of events around the country, just jump onto our website. Thank you so much, guys. Very cool. We've got more marvellous music stars to come. Country legend Eddie Lowe performs a song from his new album. And she topped the charts in one of the most famous families in the biz. We're sitting down with Celtic superstar Sharon Core. We'll see you back after the break.